Shall we play a
Step to
game?
your right. Step to your right. Get down on your knees. Lay down on your stomach and put your hands behind your back. Lay down on your stomach.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Can you put the window down a little bit more, please?
I can hear you.
All right.
What did you put me on?
Sorry?
So what is the cause?
Well, you're all tinted out and there's no plates.
There is plates. There's plates in my car.
Where's the plates?
It's one in the back and one in the front.
Well, it says in the back it's not a plate. It's not an Ohio plate. Or any state.
I'm not from Ohio.
Where are you from?
I'm from the area of Morocco.
Speak up, please.
I'm from Morocco.
Morocco?
Yeah, that's the name of this country. It's called Morocco.
Okay. Well, you need a plate. You don't have a plate.
That's a plate issued by my
Do you have your registration?
That's a plate issued by my consulate. I'm not from this area.
Okay, so where are you from? You said Morocco?
Corporate state Illinois. I'm from Illinois State, the Corporation of Illinois.
Okay. Do you have your license on you?
I have my nationality card, that's it.
Now let's talk about that for a moment. The so-called Moorish nationality card, it's nothing more than a club membership card. That's it. It's not issued by a real government, it's not recognized by any actual court, and it doesn't give you immunity from anything, except maybe common sense. What it does do is cost money, usually paid to a guru, sometimes bundled with classes, paperwork, and promises that can't survive the first contact with reality. That card will not get you out of jail, it will not stop an arrest, and it doesn't prove sovereignty, nationality, or any jurisdictional magic. All it proves is participation in a fraud. And telling police or a judge I'm not a citizen, probably not the flex people think it is, especially these days.
You're driving. We're not going to do the whole sovereign citizen thing.
I'm not a sovereign citizen.
That's what you're explaining to me. You're saying
I'm not explaining that.
you're saying you just have
I have a nationality card,
Right.
which is recognized by the Department of Justice.
well, I need a license.
I'm not driving. I'm traveling.
You're driving. If you're on the road, you're driving.
What was the reason for you pulling me over?
Well, you're alternate out and you don't have plates. There's no
I do
visible
have
plates.
One in the front and one in the back. It's
Is that your ID?
It's my nationality card.
Can I see it, please?
You're looking at it. I can't give it to you. My consulate said I can't give you my ID.
Okay, so you need
Are
a.
you all? Where's your supervisor at? So I can speak to the supervisor.
You can talk to our supervisor when you're done at the station.
Okay, I'm not going to the station.
We
'Cause I
need
didn't do
a-
anything illegal.
We need your driver's
I didn't do
license.
anything illegal. What was the reason for you pulling me over?
I've already given you 2 reasons.
What's the reason?
You're alternate out.
Okay.
That's illegal.
I'm
And you don't have a
alternate out.
yes.
The window
Your
tint.
window tints.
The window tints.
I'm not from Ohio.
Well, we don't know that because you're not giving us an ID
I just
and
showed
you don't have
my
no
ID
plates.
Right here. I'm showing you the
You
ID
have
right
to
here.
identify yourself. Okay.
I just need to speak to the supervisor.
I want to talk to the manager.
You can talk to him when we're done here,
Okay, well,
but we need to finish what we're doing.
I need to get where I need to get. So if you want to do what you need to do, I need to speak to the supervisor.
Okay, you can talk to him at the station when we're completed.
Because I didn't do anything illegal.
Okay. I need a driver's license and an
I'm
insurance
not
card for
driving.
the
I'm
vehicle.
traveling.
You are driving.
I'm not driving.
Yeah,
I'm
you're.
traveling.
Yep, you're driving. You're behind the.
Okay, so am I transporting goods and people?
It
In order
doesn't
for me
matter.
to
You're
get
driving on a. You're driving a motor vehicle on the roadway in the United States of America. You're driving a car.
This is an engine. It doesn't have a motor in it. It has an engine.
We're not going to play these games.
I'm not playing no games.
You need to identify yourself.
Mia McLean L. Mia McLean L. L. E-L. Make sure you add the E-L.
This is a traffic stop, not a negotiation. And the supervisor's here.
All right, we're going to have you step out the car.
I need to speak to your supervisor.
I'm sorry?
I said I'm not stepping out the car. I need to speak to the supervisor.
Supervisor's right here.
Okay, well, I'll speak to him. I don't want to speak to him.
Yeah, come on out. I can talk to you.
Oh, no, I'm not coming outside. I can talk to you right here.
I can't hear you.
I said I'm not coming outside.
You've been ordered out of the car. Do you
You've been
understand
ordered
that?
out of the car.
Step out of the car, please, sir.
I'm not coming out the car.
You understand you're going to be placed under arrest if you don't exit the car?
I didn't do anything wrong.
You're being ordered out of the car right now, so step on out.
I'm not stepping out the car.
Are you refusing to get out of the car?
What did you pull me over for?
Well, I can see a few things. I'm not sure what the other officer pulled you over for. Right now, we're going to have you step on out. This is your final
Where's
opportunity.
the supervisor?
I'm
He's
right
back.
here.
What's your name?
Sergeant Mike Daly,
Okay, Sergeant.
badge number 62.
Okay, so what am I being pulled over for, Sergeant?
I told her the tints and no thing.
I mean, yes, I have 10. So my car is private. So that's why I'm operating privately.
Okay, for right now, we're going to have you step out of the car. We got the legal right to ask you to step out of the car for a traffic stop, so step on out.
But I didn't do anything wrong.
If not, you're obstructing official business.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong. So how about you get the sheriff down here instead? Because I don't want to talk.
Nope, sheriff isn't coming down here.
Okay, well, I'm not talking.
You have to step out of the car.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
You don't step out the car, you're going to be under arrest.
Sir, what did you pull me over for?
I'm not going to keep explaining
Why
the
are
same
all
thing to you.
intimidating me?
Huh?
I said, why are you all trying to intimidate me?
We're not trying to intimidate you. I've been trying to cooperate. She's closing the window. She's driving.
Run, Forrest, run!
Coming back. All right, walk backwards towards my voice. Keep going. Come back.
Trace, you got commands?
Yeah, come back. Keep coming back. Right back on the sidewalk.
Keep walking back, walk back. Keep coming, 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 keep coming. Step to your right.
Step to your right. Get down on your knees. Lay down on your stomach and put your hands behind your back. Lay down on your stomach.
Hello, Dad. I'm in jail.
And while you're here, hit like, subscribe, share, and comment. It's free and helps the algorithm from acting brand new and sending you to strange places. And a major thank you to each and every one of our channel members, keeping the channel focused on facts, records, and reality, not whatever somebody printed off the internet. You can argue jurisdiction all day. The roadside is not the place, and paperwork does not change that. This was a legal traffic stop. Lawful orders were given, and refusing them doesn't turn the stop into a debate. It turns into an arrest. Until next time, I'll see you soon.